Programming is a valuable skill that is becoming increasingly important in today's digital age. In this video, we will cover the different methods you can use to learn programming, the different programming languages you can choose from, and how to practice your programming skills. Methods for learning programming. There are several methods you can use to learn programming. The first and most popular method is taking online courses. Websites like Udemy, Coursera, and Codecademy offer comprehensive programming courses that cover the basics of programming as well as advanced topics. Another method is to attend physical classes at a local college or university. This is a great option for those who prefer to learn in a traditional classroom setting. Another popular method is to learn programming through books. Many programming books are written by experts in the field and are a great way to learn at your own pace. You can also find programming tutorials on websites like YouTube and Stack Overflow. These tutorials are great because they are free and often cover specific programming topics. Choosing a programming language. When it comes to choosing a programming language, there are several options available. The most popular programming languages are Python, Java, and C++. Python is a great choice for beginners because it is easy to learn and has a large community of users. Java is another popular language that is widely used in the tech industry. C++ is a powerful language that is used for high-performance applications, such as video games. When choosing a programming language, it's important to consider what you want to do with it. For example, if you want to create web applications, you might want to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Practice and projects. One of the best ways to learn programming is through practice and projects. Programming is a skill that requires a lot of practice to master. You can practice your programming skills by writing code every day, solving coding problems, and participating in coding challenges. Projects are also a great way to practice your programming skills. Start with simple projects, such as creating a calculator or a to-do list application. As you become more advanced, you can tackle more complex projects, such as creating a web application or a video game. Joining a community. Joining a community is another great way to learn programming. You can join online communities such as forums and social media groups, or attend local programming meetups. These communities are great because they allow you to connect with other programmers, ask for help, and learn new things. Conclusion. In conclusion, learning programming is a valuable skill that can open up many opportunities in your personal and professional life. There are several methods you can use to learn programming, such as online courses, books, and tutorials. When choosing a programming language, consider what you want to do with it. And remember, practice and projects are the best way to master programming. Finally, joining a community can help you connect with other programmers and learn new things. Thank you for watching our video on how to learn programming. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.